Today's topic is games. Part 1, Style Questions.
Do you enjoy playing any games?
I think games play a very important part in our lives, and everyone either loves watching or playing a particular game. I love to play cricket. I also like to play those indoor games with my family, like chess or Ludo.
What kind of games did you play when you were a child?
As a child, I played a lot of games. We used to play cricket, football, badminton, Coco, hide and seek. I also enjoyed playing Monopoly, Ludo, chess and even Carom. Playing these games with my friends or brothers and sisters used to be real fun.
What games are popular in your country today?
Our country cherishes every kind of sport. However, cricket is the one sport that unites the entire country. People of my country are crazy about cricket, and you will find cricket teams in every colony of our country. However, with time and some attempts by government, people are now even paying attention to games such as kabaddi, tennis and football.
Do you think mental games like chess are good for you?
I personally think yes. Chess or any other mental game inculcates the habit of taking decisions, and even more taking right decisions in the stressful times. Other games like Sudoku improves the analyzing power of an individual.
Part 2, Style Task. Describe an indoor game that you liked to play when you were a child. You should say what the game was, when, where and with whom you usually played it, how you played it, and explain why you still remember this game or you liked this game.
I played hide and seek lots of times when I was a kid. Normally we played this game with friends or classmates, after class or during the weekends in the house. Firstly, we chose one of us to be the seeker to search around for the rest of us, the hiders. The game started with the seeker covering his eyes and counting to 10, while everyone else ran off and found a place to hide. When the counting was finished, the seeker began a painstaking search for the hiding kids. And that was my favorite part of the game, because the suspense was just so intense. The hiders could really hold their breath, being afraid of getting caught. But then, there was always someone who got caught, and this person would become the next seeker, unfortunately. Hide and seek was fun because it was simple. These days, we play computer games to get fun, but sometimes I really missed those simple pleasures of old days. They were so carefree that they are impressive to me even today.
Part 3, Style Questions.
Do you think adults should play games?
I believe every individual should play games. Games help in the mental and physical exercise, without letting us know about the work we are doing. Adults require them the most. They usually lead a very stressful life. Games could prove to be a recreation activity for them, wherein they could get to connect with their family and friends, and also help them to stay fit.
What do children learn from games?
I think learning is the most underrated part of games. A child who plays a particular game learns a lot from it. He learns the importance of time management, team spirit. He learns how to respect every opinion and still be distinguished. For example, a child playing football knows that it is not about who scored how much, it is about whether the team won or not. Even more, they learn how to accept failures. So, I think games help in an all-round development of a child, and every child must play.
Do you think it's important for people to play games?
Well, if you like playing them, then yes. If you don't like them, then no. I mean, it's not like going to school or learning to drive a car, and other things like that, which are important in life for your future and to make life easier. There are many people who live without playing games. It's a personal thing, like a hobby or interest, but it's not important in the sense that everyone needs to do it. My parents never did.